Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. It's your boy HarmerFinds, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the best agent right now, LITBUY. I'll be showing you everything from signing up for free coupons, which by the way include a 40% off coupon, finding links to items, how to order your items and handle them in the warehouse, and finally shipping it out to your house. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to the first link in my description and sign up to LITBUY. That'll give you 40% off shipping, which is a no-brainer. Like, who wouldn't take that? If you're on my beacons, it'll be the first link there too. Obviously, for signing up, you have to fill out your email and so on, but I think that explains itself. Once you have LITBUY set up and going, you can check your account like this and go to your coupons. Now, you will see the 30% one right there, but what you're going to do is type in HARMA40, which will give you the 40% one. Second step would be to find your links that you want to order. That will be my spreadsheet that I created with over 6,000 total finds. Essentially, I got all sorts of items there, ranging from shoes, shirts, hoodies, literally everything you could think of. If you can't find anything there, you can head to my Discord server, Hidden Finds, where you can ask me for specific products. I also run a ton of giveaways there, so definitely join it. Anyways, let's say, for example, you want to get this hoodie. You're just going to click on the link and select your color and size. I'll just take black and M for this one. But on some links, there will be some weird sizes, so you should scroll down until you see a size chart and just pick your size from there. Then click agree on this little disclaimer and add to cart. So when you have your whole haul ready to order, go to your cart and then you can select the ones they want to ship to the warehouse. So I'm going to click on these shoes and this pillow just to show you. But before you ship them out, you can actually click on Freight Estimator. And what this will do is estimate how much all of these products will cost to ship to your house. So in my case, I'm going to select Germany and the weight of my whole parcel. You can ignore the product type and length parameters. This doesn't affect anything for your estimate. If you click on the estimate button, it will show you all shipping lines possible to ship out your haul. So here for the top one, it's $65 for an 8-kilogram haul with the coupon applied that you got with signing up. But if you want to buy them, just click on checkout. Obviously, you have to fill out your address, which I'm blurring out here, of course. After that, click agree and submit your order. Over here, you will select your payment method. And as you can see, they got PayPal, which a lot of other agents actually still don't have. I don't know why. Anyways, you're just gonna click pay now and your order is done. So once you pay for your item, you have to wait for it to get to the warehouse. And usually the product has tracking. So it goes from processing to awaiting warehouse, which means it's on the way there. And finally, received, which means it's stored in the warehouse and you can check your QC pictures. If you aren't happy with the quality, you can contact your agent here and tell them to return it. But if you are happy and have all your items on received, you can start to ship out your haul. As you can see, here's my warehouse tab. I got all of these items right here. So I'm gonna select all of them. You will have two options right here, so I'm gonna explain them. Submitting a parcel is basically just paying your shipping based on a potentially inaccurate estimated price. This won't have a big impact, but if you want to make sure you get the best price, you should go on Rehearsal. They will pre-pack your haul into a parcel so you know the accurate shipping price, and then you can pay the cost and ship it out. Now going to the delivery route here, you have a lot of options, but what I recommend is going with the cheapest one that delivers the quickest. So for me, this one is going to be it. 6 to 11 days shipping. I would recommend you to always use carton packaging, and for add-ons, corner protection, remove shoebox and shoe tree protection if you have shoes in your haul. Insurance is also very good to have to just be safe, and it's even free right now. So you can submit your parcel now and wait a few hours or up to a day until it is done with packing. Now on the parcel page, it will say awaiting packing, which will take about a day until it's done. Now skipping to tomorrow, the parcel is done being calculated and weighs 12 kilograms with a cost of $110. That is without the coupon though, so don't worry. What you want to do now is click confirm parcel and select your 40% coupon. So now the shipping is only $65. Then click pay and you are done. Now, just to compare it to other agents' prices like CN Fans and AC Buy here, the price for the same haul would be over $200 instead of $65. If that doesn't convince you to use LITBUY, then I don't know what will. Anyways, until your haul arrives, you basically don't have to do anything other than wait and check the shipping updates here. So yeah, that's how you buy a LITBUY haul step by step. I hope it was helpful, and if you need any other help, you can join my Discord below.